to me. I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't know what you're going to do about it. You have to open that house.
You have to tell him to send me my money.
For the first place, why did you lock? Why did you ask them to lock the house?
In the first place, why did you not send me my money before this cost issue?
What is your reason?
Wait.
What? Okay, as you don't look at now, what you achieve?
You know the reason why.
As you don't look at now, what you achieve?
Now let me explain better. If you want to get me, sit down and listen to what I'm
saying.
We are listening.
You put to listen. Okay, so okay, move. Can you guys what happened was, before anything, when I choose me say I go meet her, say hey, I tell her say na business woman no grip. The documents you see them, I show everything. Now my mom is inside that joint account. He brought out the idea of opening joint account. Why? Because of future purposes. I removed 3.5 million inside that same joint account, but he said it's his own account when it was joint. After you have decided we should open joint together, you are not lying to everybody that it is your money. You are lying to everybody that it is your money. Now you use my money, you clear the joint account money, you went to Istanbul, people have to be buying different things. You are not telling me that I'm stealing money. When I carry case go court, even before this divorce hold, they said now they are settling the issue now, and it has led to this one. There's nothing I can do. It's not my fault.
There's nothing you can do.
They called him.
But you were aware that those people are coming to lock that house.
Did they not call him?
Were you not aware of them coming to that house?
Did you not say you went there?
Hold on, now let me tell you something. Before they came, did they not call you? Did they not tell you? Did they not tell you?
Mr. B standing yesterday when he went there. He wasn't not there. Is that not why he said that he was in court? For me, I did not come. Now he was aware. Before they came to lock his house, was he not aware? Why is he not behaving as if it's wrong?
There was nobody. Okay, don't do this now. I'm not here for all this thing you're doing.
You are going to do this.
I'm not here for all this thing you're doing. Better stop. We're not.
I don't get it. Do something like a man for once. Do something. I keep telling you this thing.
You better calm down.
If you try this, finish. I keep telling you, take a shot against this girl. She's fucking playing dirty.
She's playing. Madam, you sit down. Calm down. Go do first. Mary, listen.
I'm not here for all this.
Sit down. Listen to me. I don't know how we are going to do this, but you have to call them. They should open that house.
You should pay me my money.
She has to take her drugs. He needs to change his clothes.
I didn't know millionaire.
Listen to what I'm telling you. We can settle these things amicably.
David offered this girl and her mother or so-called whatever that she
we can settle these things
for
amicably.
20 million and they refused it.
Since you have the 20 million, she finally left me.
You don't try for this one.
Maybe you don't try for this one. I don't know what you are playing.
You don't try. You had every right to tell them to stop.
She went to meet them and tell them that her money is inside this house. That
you think you get right to tell them something they stop and they don't go lock them.
Why this girl?
But you get right to tell them they no lock them.
How did you have such money?
I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
Tell people.
But you were informed when they said they want to lock
you. I was informed.
You had the right to tell them to wait.
But he went to court before.
No. You didn't do. You don't do this one well.
Why you avoiding my question? He was in court before they came.
Madam.
He went, but I didn't go. He even said it yesterday in his video.
Why did you lie?
Yes, he went, but Mary was not
Madam.
there. Was that not what he said?
Mary.
They invited us both. I didn't go, but he went.
Mary.
So why people make it look as if I'm the bad person? As if that just go there and lock the
gate.
But when I saw her, he said there was nobody in the house when they came and they locked the place.
What's my business?
But they called you. Did they
not call him too?
Alex, wait.
Why not they do like say when I not go school? Like me go when no go school, my
I bought my house.
Wait, are you referring to me that
at this point?
Are you saying?
At this point, I'm telling you, you don't have to listen to your brother. You are just focused on blaming me.
Because I want you to open. You know you have the right to open that. Call them back to open it.
I don't have any right.
Wait.
He has to go back to court and do the right.
What I'm trying to say is
what they asked him to do.
There's nothing I write in Mary.
Wait, you are invading my privacy.
This.
Now they invade my
we are in a
privacy.
women's world.
Which women's world?
Right?
You are invading my privacy. Now I say make you come up for mansion. Me and my people
Mary,
don't come out now.
why can't we just keep on fighting the fight that we're fighting?
Excuse me.
Concern our marital issues.
They are two different cases.
What business?
They are two different cases.
What
house case? Mary, my money case is different.
Mary.
Marriage case is different. There are two different cases.
Mary.
Don't misinterpret.
I am trying to hold my temper.
God. I
am trying to hold my temper.
It is best for you to control yourself.
What you want to do?
Mary.
Sitting in front of me, be a like girl that could come. You are sitting in front of
You
me.
said you gave me money to buy a house.
Who gave you money to buy house?
Or you said your money
It's
is in the
our
house.
joint accounts. Yes. Why do you clear everything? Go and bring my balance inside the joint
Mr. Man,
account.
what are you? Why are you lying to
What
the
is
whole
she
world?
doing? That she shouldn't have there.
Why? Wait,
But
can
you
you just
don't
calm
know
down?
anything
Why are you
about
lying
it.
to the whole world?
Why are you lying to the whole world?
Who gave
If
you
me and
money?
you now we are saying each other, it's like we don't want to believe that.
Man, even if you dey do a shower, how many a shower you want?
No.
Even if
That
you said
name,
that
I don't want it. I told him
How
that name calling now.
will you make the money?
I don't want
It's
that
not
name
that
calling
when
for
I
any
have
reason
share,
at all,
my
man.
business with you.
I don't want
Come
it.
and share no shinu.
Mary, I asked
Even
if you're doing hookup, how much hookup girls they
Same
make?
with you. How much hookup women they pay? How much do they pay you?
Mary,
There is definitely something the both of you are not telling me.
Yes, so
There is something the both of you are not telling
Just sit
me.
down and be listening.
Mary.
They are saying the secrets now.
There is something the both of you are not telling me.
Yeah.
But Mary, tell
when I
them to
said
open
it's
the
getting
house.
lie.
He's the one that have the power. Oh.
Mary, you
Open
know
the
you're
house.
lying.
Power. See, but unless I don't want to talk to you. Please, he's the one that have the power. You should go there. Settle what they ask him to settle. He knows what to do. He knows
See,
the right thing to do.
madam.
Oh, come on, keep a millionaire. Properties, I have cars, I have this.
Madam.
Are you not?
What I'm trying to tell
First
you
of all,
is,
now don't they die.
if you know what you went to go and tell them that your money is involved in that house and they are doing all their things that they are doing, to be sure, I tell him that wait, they will get back to me. Let them check whatever they want to check. See, they should just stay away from my property. I know that is what you are after.
I'm not after a property, I'm after my money.
Then what money are you thinking about?
Just go and
Mary, me and you not say you know what 5
Okay,
million.
Mary,
Yes,
don't come close to
yes,
the house.
yes.
Just stay far off.
Mary, me and you not say you know what 5 million
Stay
naira.
far
Are
off.
you
No
worth
near am. Leave am.
500,000?
Mary,
Are you worth 500,000?
Mary,
You this bonfu.
stop
Are
lying
you
to the
worth
whole
500,000? I'm asking you.
stop lying to the whole world. Mary, you know what 5 million? Why am I even saying 5 million? Mary, you know what 2 million naira?
Lie. Now we talk to man, not be online.
Mary, you don't have a dime.
You said you don't have a dime. You don't have a
Why
dime.
do- Look at what people are telling
But
me.
yeah, I've told you to calm down.
Babe, look
We
at
are
what
going
people are
to sort
telling me.
this.
Are you seeing what people are saying?
I see everything they are saying.
People are
And
saying,
it's
wow, how
not
innocent
today.
she is. How?
You already know the person you married before. A gaslighter.
Oh,
That is who
Jesus.
she is. And there is nobody that will not believe her online. Child of grace, she's an orphan. Blah, blah, blah. So
What orphan?
what
That's
are
what
you
I'm saying.
expecting?
What orphan?
What are you expecting?
What orphan?
has
She
been
is
a
not an
gaslighter.
orphan.
That's the thing.
Why is she lying? Why?
And me, I'm not. I would never stoop so low to come and start trying to counter words or anything because I know everything that is happening from day one. So just chill.
You said.
Her name
For how
is
long?
not in the document when you built the house. So if she like, make she go 100 courts. Court deals with evidence, and that she doesn't have. She can fuck whoever she wants to buy her way through this case. Because I don't like that. Just for the few months that we've had peace. And love.
People don't see that one, no.
I don't have to
I was
post
with
it.
my wife.
I don't have to
and I
post
was
it on
good.
social media.
I was so good with my family.
For them to know that I am happy or I'm living well or I and my husband we are together. I don't want anybody any explanation as to why I don't wear my ring because I don't like wearing it. I don't like anything that irritates my hand or just I can only do that occasionally. I don't have to prove a point to anybody. They don't feed me. Because I Mary was working for you for as long as I could remember then. Somebody that was staying at where Kana Abiwe.
Exactly.
And so she's talking about
Exactly.
50 million. I
Give her
think
50
50 million.
And people are a lot of people on that app are so daft that.
As at when she was working for you, can she even boast of 100K? Like I could afford to give her 200K. Oh God. And now she's saying 50 million joint account. Like how the hell? See, I won't lie to you. For me, I believe silent moves are much better than coming online to say whatever you want to do. I told you, do not look down on that girl that, oh, she will not do anything.
Babe.
Take action.
Babe.
I have told you, take
Babe,
action.
babe, this is what I'm talking
Take
about.
action.
Babe, this is what I am talking about. This girl wants to just ruin everything that I've worked for.
Have you called Mr. Lucas?
I've called everybody I want to call. Everybody's aware of this case right now. They are seeing what is trending on social media.
I already called my uncle. Don't worry. Because when I do my own, now they'll say, oh, go down there for bottle. This will go down do something. Blah, blah, blah. I don't talk. I'll just move in silence. I don't have to come online and banter and talk. I have work. I have a child. I have other necessary and important things that I have to use my time to than coming online for.